Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kenny from Kenny vs. Poverty.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
Today, I'm bringing you guys an unboxing. I just got a fresh, I'm pushing P. I got that P in the mail from Nike, man. Got that pressure, that full court pressure, you hear me? But before that, I want to update you guys. So I was thinking, with all of these updates and restocks and all of this stuff going on, I think I made a very, very severe mistake when I did that almost $800 haul at Plato's Closet. In retrospect, I probably would have cut that $800 haul down to like a $200 haul, good $200. I'd have limited myself to $200 because all of the items from Plato's Closet has been slow movers. So just like the last video that I did on why I no longer want to buy any New Balance 550s. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. But yeah, I'm done with the 550s because I still got one pair. I sold one pair. I'm still not in the profit margin, right? On both, I'm probably up a good $2, a hot $2. You know what I'm talking about? A hot $2. So the shoes from Plato's Closet, they've been slow moving, man. Out of all of the shoes I got, I think there's only 3 pair of shoes that I made a significant amount of money. And by significant, I mean $10 or more. Everything else is lunch money. You know what I'm saying? Everything else is $2 here, a good $4 here. Shipping, I gotta wait for eBay, and the eBay fees done kicked in on me, man, and they killing me. The eBay fees is killing me. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, let's see what Nike sent us. Which way do I want to open the box? See, and then this is another thing. How do I open the box to make sure I can reuse it? Like, do I open the bottom and then tape the bottom? Or do I open the little perforated edge right here and then retape that? So, I'm going to open the edge. Hey, my man said he think these is dunks. What color is the dunk box?
Orange.
It's orange? Always orange, or is it sometimes orange?
Most dunks are orange. There's different ones like that.
Is this an orange box?
No, it's not.
What's in here?
Don't know.
Hey, Jumpman like he's up to something. Uh-oh. I got some Jordans in the mix. Some Jordans.
That size, I'm gonna say you got them. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know.
Jumpman like he's up to something.
What?
Ooh. Oh yeah, these is pressure. These is pressure. You hear me? These are pressure.
Wow.
Look at these. Hold on, guys. You guys know I feel like it's like a rite of passage for me to like pick the glue spots off, man. I'm trying to get these little glue nodules off. These joints are clean. I ain't never seen them in person. This is my first time seeing the Bred toe ones in person. Seeing the red that's on them. Uh-oh. What's that? Hey, sticker man. Sticker man. They got that Jordan sticker stuck in the shoe. That Jordan boy. But I ain't never seen these guys. I ain't never seen them in person.
They look like the ones that you first got in your first haul, the woman size.
Nah, man.
They look just like that.
No, man. The color pattern is different. And you got to notice that the color pattern is what determines the price of the shoe. These are called the Bred toe ones because of the color combo on the toe. And I remember the mids of these are the ones that I had that came out in the package way back in the day that are probably going for $500-600 now. So it's the color combination that gives you everything. Come on, man. Come on, man. We hit on that pressure. Nike, hey, the Nike app, I can't say I get everything that I want or even the sizes and stuff that I want, but the Nike app showed me some love, man. The Nike app showed me some love. I've been getting some full court pressure from the Nike app. That little joint, look, hey, look, when you hit that joint, it say pending, and your phone vibrating and do the little congrats like that. Ooh, you got pressure. You got pressure on the way. But guys, all you guys done seen these. Hey, if you sell shoes, you probably got 15, 20,000 pair of these. If you don't, you probably got a pair in your closet. Your woman got a pair, your kid got a, you know what I'm saying? So somebody you know got a pair. So you guys seen these. I ain't gonna go too deep. It's just my first time seeing them. You know what I'm talking about? This ain't y'all first time. This is my first time seeing them in person. So without further ado, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And we'll see you guys on the next one. We out, baby.
My brothers are the sound, we be rocking and rolling. When I look around, all I see is the real. In a sticky situation, all my niggas won't squeal. Couldn't fall for the PA, that bitch tryna sign a deal. Whole team ran a relay, had to step out the field. Grandma looking over me, man, she is my shield. When you walk up out the house, it's a chance to get killed. All I wanna do is break bread while we build. All they wanna do is take from us when they feel. Rob my brothers out the sound, we be rocking and rolling. If them people come around, we put the stock in and hold it. Turned a bunch of different pages, but my team never folded. 10 toes on the pavement, I think my feet are bolted. I got brothers out of town, from the west to Wyoming, and we finna make this pop like the top on a soda. Turn this motherfucker up, put your ears in a coma. You some niggas masked up way before the corona. I remember I was down, you were up, I was lower. I've been working on my sound, had a chip on my shoulder. I wish you never came around, my heart's been broken, it's over. We were friends before the madness, that's when we became closer. I used to want the bitches and the diamonds, until I realized it's really priceless. There's more to life than shining, we put the time behind it. Catch me on a bigger scene, stand 10 toes, never fold, always keep it G. We was masked up, way before the corona, I keep that Mac tuck. Case a nigga run on me, so please don't act tough. We don't fuck with these phonies, I keep my Nina, she's the leader, I just follow them.